In this video we will be looking at weeks of the year in our date and time triggers, and if we reference the help page, it says week 1 starts on the first Monday of the year at midnight and runs until 11:59 p.m. on the Sunday afterwards. All subsequent weeks also start at midnight Monday. So for example, week 22 starts on the 22nd Monday of the year. And then it goes on to say, weeks of the year runs the mesh bot once per week. Selected. We can then combine this trigger with other triggers such as days of the week and or custom time if you want to run on multiple specific days of that week. So if we have a look at this, date and time, weeks of the year, so we can then select our weeks, whatever we want, and then we would combine that. So we had another trigger, say days of the week. If we want it to run on more than one day in a particular week, we could select those days, and again we can add a custom time if we want that event to happen at a particular time on those days in those weeks, say 6 p.m, and we make sure it's ANDed together. So that's a look at weeks of the year.